Hello everyone, welcome back to our Ignite Careers YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to explore MQTT, a protocol that has become essential in IoT world. We'll break down what MQTT is, highlight its key features, and finally, I will show you how to simulate MQTT communication using Python with a public HiveMQ cloud broker. MQTT. It stands for Message Queuing Telemetry Transport. It's a lightweight messaging protocol designed for low bandwidth, high latency networks. MQTT is ideal for connecting devices in the Internet of Things because it's simple, efficient, and uses minimal resources. The protocol works on a publish-subscribe model, meaning devices or clients can either publish messages to a topic or subscribe to receive messages from a topic. Let's talk about some of the key features that make MQTT so popular. MQTT and efficient. Lightweight and efficient. MQTT messages have minimal overhead, making it perfect for devices with limited processing power or bandwidth. Publish-subscribe model. The publish-subscribe architecture is highly scalable and decouples the sender and receiver, meaning they don't need to know what each other. The quality of service levels. MQTT offers 3 levels of message delivery assurance, which is QoS 1, 2, 3. 1 is utmost 1 with no acknowledgement. Quality of service levels. MQTT offers 3 levels of message delivery assurance. Quality of service 0, 1, 2. 0. Utmost once with no acknowledgement. 1. At least once with an acknowledgement. 2. Exactly once, ensuring the message is delivered only once. Retained messages. The last message on the topic can be retained on the broker, so a new subscriber immediately receives the latest data. Will messages. MQTT clients can specify a will message that will be sent by the broker if the client unexpectedly disconnects. Security. MQTT supports TLS or SSL for secure communication and authentication methods like username, password, or client certificates. Now, let's move on to the fun part, simulating MQTT communication using Python. We will be using the public HiveMQ cloud as our MQTT broker. HiveMQ cloud is a managed MQTT broker service that's great for testing and developing your applications. First, I am opening the resources that I have created for this testing. So, you can create your own subscription, temporary subscription or free trial account in the HiveMQ cloud. So, this is my cloud details I have basically created for this simulation. First, make sure you have Python installed on your machine. We will need the Python PAHO MQTT library, which can be installed using pip, which is pip install and PAHO MQTT. Now let us write a Python script for our publisher. This script will connect to a HiveMQ broker and sends a message to a topic. So basically in this code, I have imported the Python MQTT library and time library and defined my broker address, port, and the topic which I need to send data. Then this definition publishes a message by connecting to the client broker as a client, and for this developing purpose I have set my TLS handshake none, and once the broker is connected, it prints the broker is connected, and a simple message hello MQTT world will be sent to the topic of Ignite. So now let's quickly run this code. So it's basically sends message to Ignite topic for every 5 seconds because I have declared it in a while loop. Let's subscribe to the message that we published over here For this, we have a subscriber code. Again, I have imported the Baho MQTT Python library, and I have defined the broker as like my earlier code and connected to the broker as a client and subscribe to the message that I have published right now. And that's it. We have just simulated an MQTT publisher and subscriber using Python and HiveMQ Cloud. This simple example demonstrates how easy it is to use MQTT for real-time messaging in IoT applications. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech contents. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in comments below. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in next video.